form for top quality heat and sound insulation at buildings and houses, provides a unique monolithic thermal insulation application without joints, seams and gaps. An innovative alternative to traditional building insulation methods such as polystyrene heat insulation, boards, glass wool and rock wool, single component product used with an applicator gun. It does not contain any propellant gases which are harmful to the ozone layer. This is a staircase mold developed by Progress Group TECNOCOM. Mold for staircases and platform design can be customized according to requirement. The molds can be supplied as an individual mold or as battery molds, with the option of concreting vertically or horizontally with fixed or adjustable sizes. This makes it possible to vary the number of steps, the dimensions of the steps and the width of the staircases. The molds can be fitted with vibrators and heating systems to improve the surface quality and to speed up the carring process. Automatic control of the mold ensures that the maximum degree of flexibility is achieved. Drifill is utilized for permanently elastic sealants, ideal for all smooth concrete surfaces, for example, core drilling. It is also ideal for wall or ceiling and building entries for sewage, water and cable protection pipes as well as electrical pipes, cables and lines. You can also rely on Drifill when repairing leaky existing seals. FACADECLICK consists of traditional elements such as the facing brick outer wall that is attached to an inner wall via wall ties. Thanks to the specific bricks and connectors, a facade wall is built seamlessly, quickly and straightly. This results in a minimum installation time of 7x faster. The facing brick connection provides an innovation with numerous advantages. For example, the wall can be dismantled and the bricks can be reused. Also, it can handle pressure and tensile forces up to 2 times more than normal construction wall. ISOLER, a brand of the Saint-Gobain Group, is the world leader in sustainable insulation solutions. For more than 80 years, ISOLER has brought innovation to all of its markets and has developed multi-materials insulation to meet the growing challenges of well-being and thermal and acoustic efficiency of its customers. It is very soft and easy to install. Biosource insulation made from recycled textiles is an innovation in crafting. It provides occupants with an optimal level of comfort with a pleasant interior temperature in winter and summer. Hyperion Robotics, Iberdrola and Peko Group joined forces in experimenting with a 3D printed pad foundation, a world's first in this field as per the company. Concrete 3D printing technology brings fascinating new possibilities to the construction industry, including for foundation elements. Saving in materials are significant compared to a traditional, comparable foundation. This improves the carbon footprint of constructions and also makes it possible to manufacture foundation off-site and transfer them with ease. PROCOPI pools are designed to be built in ground without physical and financial effort. The panels are produced by injection of synthetic resin and then get easily attached to each other. Then required pipes are attached and aluminum liner track runs across the top of the panels for better strength. After that, needs to pour the mixture of cement and sand for foundation and laying the PVC tape. And the final step is reinforced pool membrane is being installed and the pool is being filled with water. MagicScape Stairs is a solution that integrates evacuation facilities and evacuation spaces. It is a product that can be used as an evacuation facility and evacuation space in case of emergency through a single evacuation port without separate evacuation spaces and evacuation facilities. It is a new sliding type deployment method that is used as a balcony safety railing in normal times and is deployed as an outdoor evacuation stairway in case of an emergency such as fire. It's how it unfolds. In particular, it is an innovative product with no possibility of malfunction because it is downward sliding deployment through an automatic deployment method using gravity. BINISHELLS is a doomed concrete building that uses air as their construction work. Once the slab on grade foundation is laid, an air-filled bubble called pneumoforms is inflated. Then rebar is placed around it accordingly and mixture of concrete is sprayed on all over the rebar to create the exterior shell. After that, the interior and exterior work will be done according to need. When the concrete reaches its hardened, then the pneumoforms is ejected and the building is ready. Life insulation is a water-based flexible foam rigid urethane foam, one of the best methods to make a home more comfortable and energy efficient. It is very easy to spray, even you can do this by yourself. You can use this insulation between walls, studs, rafters, roofs and other spaces. As you can see, after spraying the foam, it expands in place to fill in all the gaps. One of the main advantages is this formula is very strong, it doesn't break down and improve living comfort. ICCF buildings material that are fire resistant, storm resistant, earthquake resistant and pest free, and most important thing, this material is made using recycled material. These blocks are easy to install and convenient. The perfect blocks is 700% stronger than traditional construction. Many people are already using this type of block because of its benefits. So say hi to greenest block in the industry.